Hey poopers, welcome to hashtag straight poop. I got a chicken breast. I got a slice of bacon that's been cooked halfway. I got fresh pineapple I cut into a spear. I'm gonna tie this little bundle. I'm gonna pepper it. I'm gonna put it out on the grill, and we're gonna cannabinize it out there with certain goodies. Now, also have a piece of twine. So I already did one, and we're gonna do a simple square knot, okay? If you were a Boy Scout, Girl Scout, you should be familiar with this. Maybe you were in the Navy. Simple. Tie that. Okay. Then, lift this up. Come down here. I'm going to hook that. And if the pineapple breaks, I'm just going to shove it back in there. Okay. Going underneath. And around. Yes, it's long. I don't want to run out of twine. So do the same thing here. Go around, under there. Pull it. Pull it through like that. Come around and make sure that's in there. You know what? I'm just going to go around this again. And we're going to tie it here. Okay, another square knot. And I will be doing these in my fish basket. Okay. This is the other one. I'll cut that off later. Of course I will. Black pepper. I'm not going to use salt because I have bacon in there. Yeah, and then we're going to spray Pam, and we're going to put it on in our fish basket. We're going to grill it first, both sides, flip it back and forth. Then I'm going to lower the box and get some smoke on it. Okay, so why don't you join us outside, poopers? And while we do that, why don't you take a look at one of our pro tips? Larry's pro tip. Enjoy. Hey, welcome back, poopers. I brushed it with sesame seed oil, cannabis oil, a little bit of hoisin, which will go nice with the pineapple, okay? So I'm just getting a char on here. I'm going to turn it. And I put Pam in here, but obviously raw. Kind of sticks sometimes. But I'm going to get the char and the pineapple and a little bit of that bacon, which wasn't all the way cooked. Then, after about 5 minutes here, I'm dropping the box all the way down, okay? I put apple chunks on here. It's going to smoke. I'm going to get about 45 minutes to hour and 15 worth of smoke. Then we'll bring it inside and untie it for you guys. Okay? Thanks for joining us here on hashtag straight poop, guys. You know what, before I break to that, I'm just going to put some more of this stuff on. Yeah. Okay. Let it drop, however, because I'm gonna make a whole new batch and dress it fresh when we untie it. Okay, thanks for joining us here on hashtag Straight Poop Poopers and Poopers, and we'll see you inside. Hey, welcome back, poopers. I untied and I sliced our pineapple chicken, and then the the stuff I put on it outside, well, I didn't want to take the chance of cross-contamination, so I made a whole new batch. All right, it's got hoisin, it's got cannabis oil, it had ginger, garlic, and some pickled lemongrass, and I did my artistic best to decorate the plate. Look how nice it came out. The pineapple, the chicken, it's beautiful, man. And it's in our cookbook, so grab our cookbook at the top of the comments section. The recipe's great, and I had some earlier from the, there's little end cuts. Excellent stuff. Me and the dogs loved it, so you will too. Thanks for joining us here on hashtag Straight Poop. Wanted to give you a little reminder. We're going to be start a series in which it's going to be holidays and special events. Watch for that, okay? Should be about 30, maybe 30 videos, because we'll have 200 of these videos up, including culinary adventures, very soon. Okay, so thanks for joining us, poopers. My dogs love having ya. I don't know why, but they do. They grow attached to things. They're shelties. Waiting on me, you're loafing. Hang loose.